Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you a solution for base table or view not found in Laravel. So here you can see an error on port 6 table e-commerce underscore project session doesn't exist, and you may also see something like this: a table was not found. The reason is in the database we have no table. So here you can see my database name is e-commerce project, and if I go to my admin and go to my database, there you can see there is no table over here. So that is why it is giving us the error. So the solution is simple. For it, what we need to is we need to go to our project directory. So we'll go to our project directory and we'll open a command prompt over here. So we'll say over here cmd, then press enter. Let me just zoom in, and here we need to write php artisan migrate and press enter. And then it will just migrate some database. So right now, if we just refresh your database over here, there you can see some database table, and right now if we just refresh our project, there you can see there is no error. So this is how you can solve your issue. Give a like to this video and make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.